Hi guys, it's Alan here, the digital mentor, and today I'm going to be talking about sending audio tweets, yes, audio tweets on Twitter. So let's get into this. Hi there, it's Alan here, the digital mentor, back again with another video. I'm going to show you today how you can send an audio tweet through your Twitter account. Very, very simple. It's a really effective way. So if you like to send audio, you can do this very easily, and you can create your own tweets, and it really has loads of potential for you to do. This is only available on mobile, so you can't do it on the desktop. So let's jump straight over to my mobile phone and show you how we can do this. Okay guys, so here I am in my iPhone, and I'm just going to show you how you can send a audio tweet. As you can see here, my first tweet here is the new audio tweets, and I'm going to show you exactly how you do it. All you have to do is hit the plus button, the little blue circular button down in the corner, and when you press that, it will automatically bring up a tweet for you. And you can see over on the right is a purple, like a sound bar, let's call it that. And all you have to do is literally press that, and it'll open up the audio tweet, and you just press the microphone, and by pressing the microphone, you can record what it is that you would like to say. So this is a tweet that's going out on audio. So this is how you do it. This is for promotional purposes. If I don't like the pause, if I don't like it, I can just go cancel, and I can go in and restart it again. So let's do one. Hey guys, it's Alan here from Compass Media, and I just wanted to jump on and say hello through the new audio tweets here on Twitter. Have a great day. And then all I have to do is say done, and then I can actually listen back to it, and it will pull up on the actual content. And if I like it, all I have to do then is I can actually send what it is that I want to say. So maybe I just might put in cool new feature. I just go feature on Twitter. And then I could just go hashtag digital mentor. And then all I have to do is to click, and then I just tweet it out, and automatically you should see the tweet going up. It takes a few minutes for it to load, obviously. And there is the tweet, and that is simple as that. And that is how you send an audio tweet through your mobile device. So guys, hope that is of interest to you. As you can see here, just going to show you my desktop, and you can see the tweets that we have just created is right here in front of me, and I can play it if I want, or and also I've done another one then earlier on as well. So I hope this is of benefit to you, and you will start using this feature on Twitter. It's another great addition to the Twitter profile, your Twitter profile, your Twitter space as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you have any questions, please don't forget to reach out and contact me. I would be delighted to help you. And if there is any other videos that you would like us to create, and some more tutorials, please do get in contact with us. Leave your pop your question and pop your comments down below. We would be delighted to see if we can facilitate and bring you more educational video tutorials right here. That's about my lot for today. Until the next time I see you, have a great day, and remember, be social. Until next time, bye bye.